guys, welcome back to Mew Plays. Today, we are going to be seeing if I don't talk at all for this entire game. Let's see if people suspect me as sus or innocent. So first, I'm going to be doing card swipe. Oh, already? That was very quick. I'm not going to type where, I'm not going to type anything. Okay, so black is saying yellow. Okay, engineer. Who else is engineer? Okay, all I know is red is engineer. That's what he says. I will go watch orange juice scan. Okay, let's just go yellow. Because I think everyone's going for yellow. Okay, should I go see yellow? I mean, who? Should I go? I don't know who just said that, but I'm going to go to medbay. First, I'm going to go to medbay, then maybe trash, then maybe asteroids. Okay, so there's two engineers, but I can't text, so. Okay, so black is obviously like spamming yellow, just like yellow, yellow, yellow. So if it's not yellow, there's like a chance it's black. So, alright. So pink, white, and green, would it skip? So, alright, so it actually might be them. I'm gonna go to look at scan, orange scan. Okay, go. Oop, alright, red did scan. Alright, I know that. I don't know how to scan, sadly. Okay, go. Okay, orange and red is safe. Let's see blue. Oh, ooh. Yeah, alright, orange. Okay, let's go. So I know orange and red is safe, but I cannot like text that. So that's just like not it. I still have not finished any tasks, which is actually crazy. Okay, there we go. I think I'm gonna go do storage. Do it. Do it. Do this. Ooh, okay. Pink is safe. I mean rose. But the thing is, I cannot type. So I know that, so I know that orange, wait, I forgot who else. Orange, red, and rose is safe here. Then I obviously know I'm safe. And then she says tan safe. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 people left. Yeah, I know. You did trash. Okay. I don't think anyone said anything yet. Cyan, where are you at? Oh, if somebody asks me where I'm at, I can't answer. Okay, so the body's outside navigation. How did orange not see red do scan? Tan asks me, oh no, I might be cooked. Okay, let's try Cyan, because people are just guessing it's him. Just gamble on Cyan. Okay, so Cyan and Rose skip, but I know Rose is clear. So it's not him or her. Ooh, nice. One more imposter, and I only did 1 task, which is actually like crazy. Seriously? Okay, Okay, they're just shutting all the doors. There we go. No body at all. Okay. Let's do this thing. Alright. And now I'm going to go to cafeteria and just do the 2 tasks I have there. Light is out, but I'm not going to go to lights just because I'm going to finish my task. And I know somebody's definitely going to fix lights, so. Let's go to O2. Then do the leaves. Wow, task is already nearly halfway done, which is very quick. And we voted 2 imposters out, which is also very quick. Now I'm gonna go to 75986. Alright. Who's doing the second one? Hello? Alright. I'm gonna go to storage for this task right here. I need somebody look, please. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh, did she actually see it? Or did she like miss that? Oh no. That is you. Look at. Who's Nat? Oh, Banana, I think. How's it maroon? How's it me? Somebody has to clear me, please. White, please clear me. I can clear Rose if I'm able to. Okay, so how many people are, okay, clear 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, no, that's me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people that I'm stuck on right now. Okay, so Rose is clear, obviously. Okay, so Tan is like sus of me, but I cannot like. I'm honestly sus of Blue. Just cause I don't know. Just sus of Blue. Oh, now I'm gonna get voted out. Thank you so much to the people who skipped. I should have skipped. Then it would be 4-3 and that would be like less risky, you know? Okay, like you clear. Okay, come here, come here. Come here. Come here, please. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay, let's come here. Oh my days. When is somebody gonna come here, please? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright, whatever. Whatever. You know what? You know what? Whew. Okay, it might be Blue actually. I'm not sure. I actually think it might be Blue. I'm just gonna. Should I vote skip or should I vote Blue? Okay, let's just skip because Green said don't vote yet. So, what did Blue say? Yes, I did see him, and he did fix lights. So, he might be saved, but I'm not sure. She was a visual task. I actually did not know that, so. I need somebody to watch me do trash. So. Okay. I am telling you it's not me. And I need you to watch me do trash to see him clear. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm not joking. I'm so happy I voted skip instead of blue. Or if I voted blue though, it will still be a tie. But I like need you to come here. Come here. Please. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Please. Come here. Yes, I think they... No, wrong thing. I'm telling you I'm clear. Please clear me. Please clear me. Thank you, orange. Oh my gosh. Thank you, orange. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so it's blue. That was my guess, actually. If it's not blue, then it's probably gray. But I'm not sure. I mean, there's only one imposter left, so they're gonna have to kill a bunch of people if they want to win. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they're gonna have to kill 7 people for them to win, which is actually just hard. Thank you, orange, like so much for clearing me. Blue. And Tat, I'm not joking. Blue and Tat, orange cleared me. Oh my gosh, actually, I did not. Thank you. Oh. Okay, if he's not imposter. Yeah, alright. Nice. So, 2 people, or 3, thought I was sus, but then I did trash to prove to them that it was not. So, I think if you stay quiet the whole round, they'll think you're sus. Bye!